think there's some classes that pretty much any law student should take. Business associations, federal income tax, evidence, I think those are building blocks. They're not in the first year, but I think it's really rare. Maybe there's somebody out there. Then I don't actually think that you have to take all the building blocks in the first semester where you have a chance to do that. I think it's two things you should think about for the fall of your second year. One is to go really light. It's just hard, it's really hard to appreciate how time-consuming job searches are. So I wouldn't go above 12 credits in the fall semester. I think that's real important to go light on that. And I think also you want to spread these building block courses out if you can, so that you vary it, so that every semester you are taking some smaller classes where you're going to be challenged in a different way. You're thinking about skills building and kind of mixing it up. You don't really want to be in a big classroom with the same people for all of your, I don't think you would, for all of your classes in that fall semester. So really think about building your skills as well as learning about different subject matters as you choose those classes. Well, let's talk about classes that are very basic beyond the big three that I've named. I think most students should take a class that is either administrative law or some specialized form of administrative law, which might be environmental law or it might be labor law. But a tremendous amount of the legal system now is the administrative framework. So I think you really need to come to grips with that. I think you need to learn to make oral presentations. I think you need to think about negotiation skills. So I think trying to build that in to your scheduling, thinking about that from the beginning is a really good idea. I think you also want to be building not just skills but relationships with faculty who can advise you and be references. How do you do that? Well, you can talk to faculty before and after class as well as in class. You can volunteer to be a research assistant. You can do an independent study, and obviously you can be in small classes like seminars or clinics. I do not think you need to worry a lot about what courses are going to be bar exam subjects. You're going to take a bar review course, and I don't think that's a particularly good reason to choose a class. I do think you should remember you're at a university, not a trade school, so I think you should think broadly about your intellectual preparation as well. Think about some perspective courses. You'll be a happier person and probably a better lawyer if you do that as well.